Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So I know the reason that you guys come here because your Apple iPhone camera is have turned into black issues. Okay, I'm gonna go over a couple of the tips and tricks on how to fix your Apple iPhones. You can range from 4S up to 7A or even 10 or 10X. Or 10x max or XR. Okay. So first of all, if you want, you could go ahead and you want to go ahead and close your app on your camera app. Okay. For example, if you got your iPhone and you open your app, and then it is doing this. When you hit the filter, it's not doing anything. But when you hit the timer, it will allow you to change timer and stuff like that. And when you hit the flash, it will not turn on or do anything. And you could scroll video, square, or whatever. But the problem is when your rear camera, if you try to hit it to snap a picture, it will not allow you to do anything. But when you change to the front-facing camera, it will allow you to do so. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to go to the camera app. So this has been fixed already. So the problem was if you turn on the front-facing camera, it would still allow you to take picture and snap that picture and stuff like that. But when you turn on the change to the rear, it's gonna give you like a black screen. All right. So you want to go ahead and double click your home button, or if you have an iPhone 10, you want to hold up and then put your finger stay up there because there's no home button, and then just swipe it up to close it. That's number one method. And then number two method is to switch your camera to front or rear by hitting this switch. Or change it to square or panorama or photo or video. See if you get any picture coming up, slow motion, time lapse. Okay. And if not, we're gonna go to step number 3. Okay. Step number 3 is to switch off your voice feature, and then you want to go ahead and go to your setting. Then you want to go to general. You want to go to accessibility. And then the voice over here. Oops. Voice over here. So you got to make sure you turn off the voiceover, okay?
Voice set alert. Important.
So press home to cancel, okay? So make sure it is off. So let's go ahead and then go to number 4 step if it's still not working for you guys. You want to go ahead and then power off the phone by pressing your power button or sleep button right here. Press and hold it down. Okay, and now you just slide off. If you have an iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max, 10R, you want to go ahead and press the power button and either up or down button and press those two buttons and hold it down. And you will get an emergency call. And then on the top, you say slide to power off. Okay. And then you just go ahead and do that, power off and turn it on. Hopefully by the time you turn it on, your camera app will be working or not stuck on the black screen. Okay, number 5 option is for you to update the iOS to the latest version. Okay. Sometimes Apple's might have some kind of bug, make your system or your camera crash, and then after you update it, your camera would be start working and stuff like that. So you want to go ahead and then go to setting, and then go under general, and just go click on software update. So just click on download and install. Okay. And if you have PIN code or password, you want to go ahead and enter that in. I'm not going to do that for now. So since I'm doing the tutorial right now, so you could go ahead and do that. And then another thing is to number 7 step is to reset all save setting. You want to go ahead and then again go to setting and then general. And on the bottom, you want to go ahead and then click on reset. And you could click on reset all setting. Okay. And then you will be entering your passcode or your password or your PIN. And then after that, you're going to reset. Number 7 will be similar. You go to setting again and then go to general. And this time around, you go ahead and then reset. You want to go ahead and then reset network setting. Okay, you click on that, enter PIN number again. And then you want to go ahead and then reset all settings. Network setting. This one you'll be losing your Wi-Fi password, so you need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and stuff like that, and you might lose your Bluetooth. You need to reset it up again. Number 8 option is to do the same thing. Go to setting, general, and then reset. But you want to make sure you back up your iPhone before you erase all content and settings, okay? So it will ask you, okay? Make sure you back up to iCloud or whatever. And then you can finish uploading, then erase or erase now. I'm going to click on cancel, right? Be warned, if you click on erase all content and setting, you're going to lose all your apps, your email setting. Everything on your phone will be erased. Your phone, photos, videos. Okay? And you don't want to do that unless it's necessary. And then number 9 is to restore your iPhone. You had to connect this to your PC or your MacBook or your iMac, and then make sure you back up a copy, and then after that you can restore it back. All right. For example, let me tell you guys how I fixed my problem. Even though if you did all that, it's not gonna fix your problem. My last resort was about kind of giving up, but lucky I didn't give up. I using these tools and take out those 2 pentalobe screws, okay, and pop this screen open. At first, I kind of did some research online. They say take out the screen and disconnect all those ribbon cable and clean those contacts, the metal contacts. So I did clean all those, But make sure you unplug your battery first, else you're gonna short circuit your main board and you're gonna zap it. Okay. So what I did was unplug the battery terminal and take out all the ribbon cable for the earpiece, the front-facing camera, and then the LCD digitizer. And then I remove the screen, take out the metal plate, and then pop up the ribbon connectors. So I kind of like clean it out with alcohol and swipe it out. And after that, I put it back and test out. That doesn't work. So finally, I remove the camera. I'm going to show you the camera that I have. This is a new one. At first, I thought the camera was bad on the existing phone. So this is the aftermarket camera. Oh, jeez. Just screw here still. All right, so what I did was I disconnect that ribbon cable, and whatever is on the main board, I put some alcohol and swipe it to clean it up. And then that did not do the tricks, okay? So I restart, I hard reset it and do everything. That still did not fix the problem. Then finally, I just come up with a method myself. I'm going to show you a clip of a video that what I did. So what I did was I pop it up the battery terminal, and then there's another cable that's right there next to the battery terminal that goes to the speaker wire. Okay, I disconnect the speaker wire. This is how I fix it. So make sure you guys pay attention. So after that, I put the camera back on and my screen back on, everything, connect all the ribbon cable. So what I did is, since I removed the battery cable and then the speaker terminal, I connect the battery cable first and then power on the iPhone. The phone that I fixed was the iPhone 6S. So I power on the phone. After that, I pop in the speaker ribbon cable and then I press down to connect it or make a contact. Okay. And somehow I was letting boot it up and then finally turn on the phone. And when I turn on the camera, it finally works. So hopefully that will fix your camera problem. I'm not sure if the camera got stuck in that mode or something, because when I put the front-facing camera works and then reverse, it just give me the black screen. Okay, and when you push the filter, nothing pop out. Okay. So yeah, that's how I fix my camera issues, and hopefully this will solve everybody's problem. I know there's a lot of internet out there, or the board, bulletin board, people complaining about their phone is not working. So after they did all those steps that I talked to you guys about, resetting, erase all the setting, or reset network setting, whatever, none of those works. So that's how I fix my problem, and hopefully this will fix yours. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. If you don't do that, you might miss out some secret that I have revealed maybe in the future. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.